The other option is a cloud only, which is a pure Azure AD object, username and password. So if you do still have anything on premise that are non-SaaS, you may have to manage separate identities of that, which isn't a great user experience. However, if you do go synchronized, you can then switch to cloud only in the future when it's ready. We only really see full-blown cloud only straight away when it's a new startup in most cases. So Azure AD has a number of ways that you can secure access. So we've got some conditional access, which I'm going to come on to a few scenarios and examples around that in the next few slides. We've got the MFA piece, which I mentioned earlier on, which is really, really key, and that helps to protect sort of the Office 365, the Azure instances that you're logging into, but you can also extend that with single sign-on to other cloud apps as well. There is a way to extend this to also apply to on-premise technologies, for example, your Citrix farms with Azure AD application proxy, and that will effectively enable you to use the same sort of conditional access MFA and all the other policies to authenticate and control the access to those services as well. Examples. So in this example here, you've got a user based in London on a mobile device, and they last signed in 5 hours ago. They're on a healthy, fully patched device. So the conditional access risk is relatively low. They're accessing a fairly low risk application, so they can go straight through. If you then have a different user who's a VP, they are in the executive users group, so that's a more